In the world of side hustles, Amazon FBA, investing in real estate, online businesses, and cryptocurrency, it can be really tough to know where to turn for a chance to create a meaningful and legitimate cash flow and finally stop trading your time for money. But what if I told you there's a business opportunity out there that offers more than just a coin toss of a chance at success? And this is where franchising enters the chat room. Sure, you've probably heard of McDonald's, 7-Eleven, Chick-fil-A, and other well-known fast food franchises, but did you know that there are many other industries and brands that offer franchising opportunities as well? So later on in the video, I'll give you some specific examples of franchise brands that you probably heard of that are not food related, and you probably didn't know that they're franchises. One of them is Planet Fitness. You got a Planet Fitness franchisee that had 90 locations with 750,000 members and sold it to a private equity firm for $675 million. Now, okay, I get it. That may not be something that seems realistic for you, owning 90 Planet Fitness franchises, but what if you could have owned one? Now, if you aren't familiar with the concept, franchising is essentially when a company allows an individual or group to use their brand name, their products, and their business model in exchange for a fee. It's what I call a business in a box. The franchisee, or the person buying the franchise, gets to own and operate their own business, but then they have the support and resources of the franchisor or the company that they're franchising from. Now you might be thinking, but isn't starting a business from scratch better? Like, I'm not paying someone royalties. While that can definitely be the case, franchising can offer a number of benefits that make it a viable option for aspiring entrepreneurs, especially if they don't want to take on the risk or just the burden of trying to figure everything out on their own. Now, a highly debated topic is the success rate for franchise businesses being much higher than that of startups. And this is because franchisees get to piggyback off the proven track record and established brand of the franchisor. They also receive extensive training and support, which can be crucial for those who are new to the business world. But just don't take our word for it. Let's look at some examples of successful franchise businesses that you might not have realized were franchises. So you've got brands like Crunch Fitness, the UPS Store, Ace Hardware, Remax, Jiffy Lube, and more. These are just a handful of examples of the wide range of franchise industries that offer franchising opportunities. Really, the possibilities are endless. I mean, we've had clients recently that have bought estate sale franchises or home inspection franchises, property management franchises, real estate flipping franchises. So I just realized that all of those examples were real estate related. There are many other industries, but it just shows you the possibilities that exist in the franchise space. And another advantage of franchising is that it allows for a more streamlined and efficient expansion process. Instead of having to worry about setting up a business from scratch in a new location, franchisees can simply just follow the established systems and processes that were put in place by the franchisor. But perhaps the biggest draw of franchising is the reduced risk involved. Now, while starting a business from scratch can be a risky and costly endeavor, franchisees are typically able to minimize the risk by, again, investing in a proven business model. Now, of course, it's important to do your due diligence before jumping into any business venture, and this means thoroughly researching the franchisor, their track record, and the terms of the franchise agreement. But look, if you're willing to put in the work and follow the established systems, franchising can be a fantastic opportunity for those looking to enter the world of entrepreneurship and create meaningful cash flow. If you want to learn more about the 6 different ways that you can make money owning a franchise, then I explain more about that in this video here. Now, what are your thoughts on franchising? Let me know in the comments below. And consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one.